Overwhelmed by stress and anxiety? Every day, external pressures from work, finances, and relationships can weigh heavily on our minds. Internal battles with perfectionism and self criticism further intensify these challenges. A family history of anxiety, childhood struggles, or a lack of support may heighten our vulnerability, trapping us in a cycle of constant worry. Stress reveals itself in physical symptoms like headaches, tense muscles, dizziness, and rapid heartbeats. It disrupts our sleep, digestion, and overall well being. Behavioral changes such as procrastination, avoidance, or reliance on unhealthy habits can deepen the sense of overwhelm. Emotionally, stress saps our motivation, triggering mood swings and isolation. Yet within every challenge lies an opportunity for transformation. Embracing self-care unlocks a path to reclaiming balance and calm. Begin with simple actions. A brisk walk, a joyful dance class, or a calming yoga session can release endorphins that soothe the mind and body. A balanced diet, with fewer sugars and processed foods, stabilizes energy and mood. Reducing screen time and establishing clear boundaries creates space for genuine connection and reflection. Journaling offers a private outlet to understand your triggers and track your growth. Mindfulness meditation and regular exercise become powerful allies against anxiety. These steps remind you that self-care is essential, not indulgent. Today, take one simple step to embrace change and nurture a healthier, calmer life. Take the first step towards a calmer mind now. Every small act of self-care builds resilience against stress. Embrace these strategies to transform uncertainty into strength and invite calm into every aspect of your life. Step confidently towards a brighter, less anxious future.